Start with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and grateful. Dear students of class 6, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, how are you and how are you doing with your studies? Hope you are doing great. And many students are giving great and positive response of their homeworks and as well about the Zoom meeting. Dear students, today we have English lecture number 37 and this is grade 6. And we are going to learn chapter number 15 today, question making. The topic of the chapter number 15 is question making, and the book we have New Brighter Grammar, page number 36, 37 and 38. And here is your teacher, Sarfraz Nadeem. Dear students, in the last lecture, we completed the chapter number 21. As you are well aware, in chapter number 21, the topic was the care of animals. So we completed in the last lecture, lecture number 36. So today we are in lecture number 37 with the new chapter of Brighter Grammar book, question making. So let's start, dear students. We start the chapter 15, question making. Here we are on chapter number 15, question making, dear students. So do you know something? What is question? Very simple. Everyone is well aware about this. What is question? Question means a kind of thing which you're supposed to ask from someone. Or in something we say it is to ask something. Question. The word question means to ask something. Now here we have chapter 15. Question making means how to make the question. How to make a question. So if you have a simple sentence and if you want to change that sentence into the question, what the things you have to do to change that question, to change that sentence into the questions. Now read the following sentence we have. Number one, it is bright. Number two, the man is tired. Number three, Seema likes roses. Number four, Imran went home. Number five, they eat a lot. Now here we have 5 sentences, dear students, and they are the simple sentences. Nothing is a kind of question over here. Simple. It is bright. The man is tired. Seema likes roses. Imran went home and they eat a lot. They are kind of simple or informative sentence. Now what we have to do, we have to change these sentence into the question. How? You have already learned how to change statements like those given above into questions. Sentence 1 and 2 have is. Look over here, students. Is. It is bright and the man is tired. Now, both sentences 1 and 2 contains is. Is the finite verb. Finite verb means the verb which uh, have no any kind of form. So they are finite verb. So it is bright or the man is tired. Now they have the main verb is here is both in the both sentence. All that you have to do is to bring the verb at the beginning of the sentence to make it into a question. Now how to change this sentence? Like this verb will come over there on this place before the subject. Like it is bright, we will read, is it bright? If we say the man is tired, is the man tired? Now this is will come over here. Understand, dear students? I will just write over here like this is will come and on this place. And this also is will come and this place. And then you can write over here that it will be like this, that is here. Is, yes, is it bright? Then this is will be removed. And now the man is tired, same will be here. We will write over here about the man like this is here. Is, okay. Now what is the man tired? Now this is will be removed because it changed place, it comes before the subject. So we say, is it bright? Is the man tired? Now these two sentences are changed into the question. How to change? The verb just put before the, yes, before the subject. and that is the helping verb, or you can say the linking verb. In other words, it is a finite linking verb. There's no form. Okay, dear students. Now let's see what is on our other page. Yes, look over, dear students. Same is given over here. It is bright. So how it is given as we did the practice. Same is it bright? Is the man tired? Same thing as I told you we did. Sentence number 3, 4, and 5 have likes, went, and eat as finite verbs. They have the finite verbs. Which verbs? Likes, went, and eat. In this case, you take the help of the auxiliary verb do. Now here we will take the help of do, because do is the auxiliary verb, or in other words you can say the helping verb of the sentence. How? When you have this type of the verb in the sentence, then you always take the do or does with the helping. The verb must agree with the tense and person of the sentence. Thus, changing to does in a present tense sentence with third person singular, it will change to did with the past tense. If we have a present tense, we use do and does. If we have past tense, we use did. Have a look. Now, first was the Seema likes roses. We change into the question, does Seema like roses? Why it does? Because present tense, third person singular. The Seema is third person singular. It is present tense. So that's why we use does. But if we have a singular like uh, I, you, we, then we use do over here. But we have a word name, Seema, he, she. These all are the third person singular. We use does. Number 4, Imran goes home. Did Imran go home? This is past tense. Sorry, Imran went home. So we change into the question, did Imran go home? What we did, we did over here because of the past tense. But keep in your mind, dear students, when we will put did over here, went will be changed into the go. Went will be changed into the first form, because went is second form and go is first form. So we will put over here go, because we have a did already form. Do is first form, did is second form. So that's why it is second form already given. So this went will be changed into the first form go. Did Imran go home? This is past tense. Number 5, they eat a lot. They eat a lot. So we change into the question, and then it is, do they eat a lot? This is present tense, because it's a third person plural. They is also third person, but it is plural. And Seema is third person, but it is singular. So when we have a third person singular, we use does. And we have a third person plural, we use do, like they, you, like this. So now look at the following sentence, dear students. The boy is running fast. Now here is his helping verb and main verb running. Number 7, Nadeem has eaten dinner. This is present perfect. Has is the helping verb, eaten is the main verb. Imran will return tomorrow. Will is helping verb and return is main verb. Number 9, the dog had been beaten. Had been is the helping verb of the had is helping verb, and then Yasmin will be coming tomorrow. Will be is helping verb and coming is the main verb. Now you have verbs which have two or more parts. Is running means two parts, is and running, because here we have single word is. It was called linking verb, but now we have a helping verb. Helping verb is called why helping? It helps the main verb to give the complete sense. So is and running, has eaten, will return, had been, will be coming. Yeah, will be coming is three parts. Will be coming, and so on. In all such cases, look at the first part of the verb from the left. Is in the sentence 6. Now the first part, the boy is running fast. What we say? In has in sentence 7, will in sentence 8. And now what we'll say? We will put this is before the boy. If we will put has means first part before the subject, will also be here. Same like this. How will you read that? Is the boy running fast? Now here what we will put only, this is before the subject, the boy, not running. Running will be at the same place. We will just change the place of is. Is will be over here on the first part. Is the boy running fast? Has Nadeem eaten dinner? Will Imran return tomorrow? Had the dog been bitten? Will Yasmin be coming tomorrow? Like this. Now, just take this part to the beginning of the sentence and make the question like, is the boy running fast? Has Nadeem eaten dinner? Will Imran return tomorrow? Had the dog been bitten? And will Yasmin be coming tomorrow? As I told you, they are done. Let us Let's summarize the rules of question making, dear student. There are three types of the finite verbs. Single part verbs like is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had. Single part verbs go, goes, went. Two or more parts like has done, will be, going, had been, beaten, like this. Number verbs of the first type are brought at the beginning of the sentence to make a question. Now, first, like which are is, am, are, they becomes as the first. They have to bring the first. Like it is a lamp. It is a lamp. How to change this question? We will put is before the subject. It like is it a lamp? Ali has two pens. Has Ali two pens? Like dear students. Number C verbs of the second type have to be broken into two. Now, if you have a goes, then you have to put in go and went. If you have how does go and go do go. And if you have a went, you will change into did go. As I told you, the went is the past tense. So when we will change into the negative or into question, we take the help of did and we will change the went into the first form go. The words does, do, did are brought at the beginning of a sentence to make a question. Now here we will put do or did or does before the sentence or before the subject or the beginning of the sentence. Like Reshma eats bananas. Reshma eats bananas. How will you change this into the question, dear students? Yes, because Reshma eats bananas is a present simple tense. It Reshma is third person singular, so we use does. What we use does. So how we, and then we will use does, dear students. Eats will be changed into the eat. We will remove s because s is used with the third person singular. But when we will change into the negative or interrogative, then we will remove this s. How? Look, does Reshma eat bananas? Reshma eats bananas. It will be changed into does Reshma eat bananas? Number two, they go home. Do they go home? He went away. Did he go away? Because went is second form, and when you will change into the question, you will not say, did he went away? No, we say, did he go away? Because did is already second. Number D, verbs of two or more parts making question. If the first part from the left is brought to the beginning of the sentence. Like if we say, he has done his work. He has done. This is present perfect. Has. So what we will put has before the he subject. We say, has he done his work? Yes. Nadeem can go away. Can Nadeem go away? And she will be coming soon. Will she be coming soon? Like, did you like this, dear students? So, do you understand, dear students, about this? Yes. Now we have a dear students exercise number 31. We have two exercises, exercise number 31 and 32. So let's change these sentences here. First one is the given over here. Has he gone to sleep? What we will put has before the he. Like has he, yes, gone to sleep. We will not change the form of gone over here because it's present perfect. But if we have a past simple tense and second form of verb, then we will change it to. Number two sentence, dear students. Ahmad will come back in 2 days. Ahmad will come back in 2 days. So will be the first. Then Ahmad. Will Ahmad come back in 2 days? This is question. Sorry, question mark is very important. Will Ahmad come back in 2 days? Question mark is very important here as well, dear students. You have to give in question mark. Okay, like this. Number three, Seema has lived in this house for 2 years. So we will say, has Seema, okay, lived in this house like this for 2 years? Question will be given. Has Seema lived in this house for 2 years? You will say, or this is question. The lock was broken during the night. The lock was the, how will you write? Was the lock broken during the night? Was the lock broken during the night? Like this will be here, dear student. Was the lock broken during the night? Question mark will be given over here, dear students. So, like this. Understand, dear students, it is a kind of like this. Sentence number 4 I have written over here. Now, number 5, the yes, procession will be arriving here in the morning. Will the procession be arriving here in the morning? Because will be before here. Yes, here we will give will. Change, yes. Will the procession be, because will not count here because we put over will the process be arriving here in the question mark will given. Number 6, Hassan will soon complete his homework. Hassan will soon, no, right? Will Hassan complete, yes, his work? Will Hassan complete his work? Like this, dear students. Will Hassan complete his work? Number 7, John has decided to help the poor neighbor. Has John decided to help the poor neighbor? Has John? Has John, yes, decided to help the poor neighbor? Question mark is given, dear students. So like this, if you will be able to do, then it will be easy for you. Number 8, the stranger is coming towards our gate. Is the stranger coming towards our gate? Here we will give is. Yes. Is the stranger coming towards our gate? Question mark will be given over here. Number 9, I have used this bag for 4 years. So have I used this bag? Have will be given over here. Have. Yes. Have I used this bag for 4 years? Question mark. Understand? Number 10, yes, tortoise will always move slowly. Will a tortoise? Here question will be will. Will a tortoise always move slowly? Question mark. Dear students, hope so you understand, but you have a homework to do this from 11 to 19. 11 to 19, you have a homework. Yes, yes. 11 to 19 is a homework. This is homework. Do at home and send it to me. This is homework, dear students. Let's see what we have in next exercise. Yes, we are dear students on exercise 32. Change the following into questions. Now here we have, it is very easy for you. The guest left last night. So how will you say now the guest left? Like this is past tense. So how will you write this? Very easy. If we have a past tense sentence, what we will do? We use did. So we will say did, yes, did the guest leave last night? This is question because left will be changed into the first form leave when we will put did. Number 2, it is a lovely place. So very easy. Is it a lovely place? Very easy. Number 3, it is raining now. Is it raining? Yes. Is it raining? Now question mark will be given. They live in a small house. They live in a small. Do they live? Yes. In a small house like this. Question mark is given. Do they? Why? Because in present simple tense, live is first form. And Seema paints well. Seema paints well. We say, does Seema, yes, does Seema paint well? Because pants is the first form. It will be put over here, pant, not pants. When we will put does or do. Does. Because here no does is third person singular, always contains S. But when we will put does, so it will be given pant. Number 6, the rose is a lovely flower. We say, is the rose a lovely flower? Very easy. Question mark. Is the rose a lovely flower? Number 7, the sun rises in the east. So, the sun rise in the east? Very easy, dear student. Does the sun rise in the east? Question mark will be. Does the sun rise in the east? Very easy. Now, so very easy means randomly you can do a head, you can say a man has just collapsed on our doorstep. Has a man just collapsed? Has will be given over here. Has. You can see, dear student, has is given. Has a man just collapsed on her doorstep? The car was going at 6 kilometers an hour. Was the car going? Ever put was. Yes. Was the car going at 60 kilometers per hour? Here we will the question mark. Or in here, post will be given question mark. Yes. The pen has broken. Has the pen? Yes. Has the pen broken? Question mark. So like this, dear students, if you will do this like, where she left for Mohenjo-daro. Did she leave for Mohenjo-daro yesterday? Did she? Yes. Did she leave for Mohenjo-daro? Mohenjo. This is the name of city, dear students. Mohenjo-daro. Yesterday. Okay. Very easy. So it is quite easy for you to do. Rest of your homework, dear students, do at home and send it to me from 13 to 14 hours. Those we leave, these are your homework. 13 to 14. This is homework, dear students. Yes. And this is kind of homework. So hope so you understood, dear students. Very easy to change this sentence into the question. And let's see, same as your homework. So here we have this homework, exercise 31, change the following sentence into the questions from 11 to 19 sentence and change the 32, change the following sentence exercise 32 from 12 to 18. Very easy. When you have a present simple tense, use the do and does, and you have a past tense, use the did. Very easy. Dear students, next lecture will be about the Brett novel, chapter 15, inshallah. So this is all about today's lecture, dear students. And if you have any query, any problem, you can just ask me on Zoom meeting. I will be available over there. And this is all about today. Thank you for joining and have a good time ahead. And thank you and Allah Hafiz.